Good morning, guys. Today I'm going to take you on our daily chore hunt. Today's the last day that Paul's with me full time. He's going to be going back to work part time. So this will be me solo tomorrow. See if we can get it done. As well as all the other things I need to get done, like keeping the kids alive and educated and house kind of clean. And so when people said that we were crazy taking on 16 calves, I now completely and utterly agree. Can you see the sheep down there? They don't want to know us at the moment. As soon as we brought the calves home, they were done. They were happy in the paddock. They didn't come up and greet us. Usually when we came out here, they'd come running. It's either the beautiful long grass they've got in there now, and they're just content, or they know that something's up. Good morning, guys. Yeah. Good morning. Hello. Hello. This is the only little one that's not doing too good. We are following, or we are going to continue to follow the electrolyte protocol over the next 24 hours. So it will be a total of 32 hours and 42 hours for some that are worse than others. So tonight, the rest of this pen, these guys, it's a bit dark in there and they're black. And these guys will have some electrolytes mixed with milk. And these guys, we will just see who's still got the runs. The ones that are better will move and they will get electrolytes and milk. The ones that still aren't amazing, like this one here. Ooh, there we go. We'll keep her or him, I don't know if it's a boy or girl yet. We'll keep her or him on electrolytes for one more day just to give them a boost. It's got glucose in it to give them a bit of energy, but it contains all the stuff they need to rehydrate. It's loud in here! And we also need to get Wild Thing to eat. She is petrified and no one can get close enough with her with a bottle. We tried one of these individual cafeterias and she wasn't interested either. So I don't know if she came off her mum, which I highly doubt, especially being in dairy country around here and being a dairy breed. But I don't know how to get her to eat, so not something so wild. Everyone else is happy. There are a few tentative ones, but they're still having their milk. They're asking me for their food. So we just need to get her to get used to us and not be so frightened, and hopefully she will come around very soon. And these guys are patiently waiting for their milkies. Hello! Moo-moo! Hello! Hi! 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 You're so cute. thing about calves is that they like to suck on anything they can, including knees, elbows, arms, hands, fingers, bums. Oh! Oi. Hello. Hi. Hello. Hello. Hello, Mr. Galloway. Oi, someone's headbutting me. This one here. Headbutting me. There's no milk there. Oh, no, there isn't. No, there isn't. Hello. Who's that? The next job is emptying out the produce bins for the chickens, and then we'll go empty it to the pigs as well. Washing the bins out so we can collect the new ones today. And now feeding the piggies. Trying to spend some time with Matilda to get her used to us. The sheep heard the bags in the back of the car move. And they've all come up to investigate. There's nothing for you, Eugene. Did you see our two new cows? Well, they're actually steers. They're 6-month-old steers, and they are part of our payment for having the old dairy farmer just on our property. So it was really cool. It was really, it worked out really well. We love buttering, and to get two 6-month-old steers to start us off, even though we've got calves, but to start us off is really cool, really exciting, and we get to learn and practice on these guys. The produce bins have been collected. Can I stand on it? Got some cabbages in there. Some lettuce in here. Some more lettuce in there. Some more cabbages and bits and pieces. And more lettuce. Next job is cleaning out the pens. And we're going to sanitize as well. Usually, apparently, you do this once a year. So it's time to do it, especially after treating them all for scours and giving them probiotics. It's time to give the pens a nice deep clean. It's all been cleaned out. Now we have to sanitize it. Ready for the calves to come back. What's going on, guys? Locking up the chookies for the night. In you get. Let's count them all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. All there. Having their nighttime feed. Aren't they adorable? Hey. So that's it. That's our 14-hour day on the homestead. I think for some people who aren't on the farm, I think it can come as a bit of a surprise as to how many hours goes into just looking after the animals, and that doesn't include any gardening to grow our own food. I actually did about an hour's work in the garden today, which I didn't show. It was a bit hard to do it, to film solo this morning, and it wasn't really that interesting. I just did a bit of weeding, and I filled in some holes in the veggie patch in my pea patch where the guinea fowl ate all the seeds. So it wasn't overly exciting, but that's 14 hours, and that's obviously with the kids as well, usually following us around, trying to help sometimes. Making a little bit slower, but that's okay. That's family life on the homestead.